pathway of the heart, of course, is one of the great traditions. What we've been talking about up to now is primarily the pathways through non-duality. The pathways through non-duality. We've been talking in terms that are familiar to students of Zen and Buddhism and traditionally non-duality. The pathway of devotion through the heart takes the form of karma yoga, devoting all one's actions to God, and devotion, in which Christianity probably is the most prominent in the world today, prominent teacher traditionally of the way of the heart. And Mother Teresa would be, let us say, an example of the unconditional love. There's many programs available to everyone, of which the 12-step programs, the Course in Miracles, and these are all pathways of love. These are all the pathways of love. The willingness to forgive and forget, let bygones be bygones. And then the Course in Miracles takes you even beyond that. So the 12-step programs take you to unconditional love, which is the ultimate aim of Christianity, taught by Jesus Christ, to love your enemy as yourself, to forgive them, unconditional love towards all that exists, calibrates at 540. Traditionally, if you get to love, you don't have to worry, because as you leave the body, you will go to that which you are, which is lovingness and a heavenly state. How to arrive at those stages. So the first lectures we gave were trying to take apart the obstructions to love, so that once you remove their underpinnings, when they come up as an obstacle, they're much easier to let go of, because you realize that what you're talking about in these obstacles to love are always perceptions, how you perceive something. So if we see how the ego puts together perception, we can disassemble it when that block comes up. And you realize, for instance, all the pathways of love talk about forgiveness, but forgiveness truly is not possible if you continue to see somebody as bad, evil, wicked, at fault. It's only when you can remove your own projections and your own perceptions and not label them as anything that you realize that basically they are innocent, that they don't know any better. So that way you can stop hating them, you can forgive them for not knowing them. So forgiveness is not really possible until really, at a certain degree, you transcend dualistic perception, which labels everything as good and bad, deserving and undeserving, etc. So the doorway to unconditional lovingness is sort of the dawning on you that everything is innocent. Everything is innocent. Some are conscious, some are not conscious. That's the difference.